Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to search the web using Perplexity AI and find accurate, up-to-date information in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open Perplexity AI and sign in to your account. On the home page, you'll see a search box where you can ask any question, just like you're chatting with an AI assistant. Simply type your question, for example, what are the latest AI trends in 2026? Then press Enter. Perplexity will automatically search the web, analyze multiple sources, and provide a detailed answer with citations so you can verify the information yourself. You can click on any source to read the original article, or ask follow-up questions to get more details and continue your research. This makes Perplexity a powerful tool for finding accurate and up-to-date information from across the web in just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search the web using Perplexity AI. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.